welcome back to the kitchen, and today we're going to be doing a fun activity for Christmas. These wood slice ornaments slash gift tags slash gift decorations are super easy to make. They're a fabulous stash buster, and if you're a crafter, you'll know what that means. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Okay, it's Friday again, and we're going to be making some more ornaments, but these can also double as gift tags. Now, I hand wrote this, but I have a stamp somewhere that's a to and from stamp, and if you have one of those, I would highly recommend you use it. So I love these wood slice ornaments. They're super versatile, and they're a great stash buster. I got these wood slices on Amazon. There were 30 pieces, and they were $12.99. I can leave a link down below for you. But we have several fruit trees in our yard that are going to be coming down. Rick is going to actually be making me wood slices, and next year I'll be able to use my own. So you're going to need some wood slices, and then you're going to need to go to your stash, your craft stash, if you have one. And I did just that. I filled up a pan with all the things I thought I wanted to play with. I got some black archival ink, some brown or antique photo colored distress ink. It doesn't matter what kind of ink you use, the wood is going to soak it up and it's going to look distressed anyway. I went to my stamp and dies and I found some really cute ones, and then like I said, I just went to my stash and I thought, what can I use? I picked out a variety of things, and so we're going to go ahead and create a couple of things on camera for you. You can see what I've done here. They're plastic, but they're stickers and they have glitter on them. Just added a little twine bow, and these wood slices came drilled out, so you have a little hole in them so you can put a hanger on them. Isn't this just the cutest thing? You can make these as gift tags, you can give them as gifts, as ornaments, and you can also use these as package decorations. I love putting a package decoration when I'm giving a gift to someone because I feel like it's a nice little memento. Let's make one. I have this little Noel stamp here. I'm going to use the black archival ink. The distress ink might not be the best choice because it's water-based and the wood really does soak it up quickly. So let's put this on here, and then you can put your little individuality on it in another way. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you only press down firmly one time, hold it, and then you can kind of rub it, and then it comes out like that. Look at that. And then you can decide how you want to decorate it. Let's see. We have some Wink of Stella here. We have red. These are super cool. They're like glitter brush pens, and then you just squeeze it, and then what you can do is do the edge. Just put a little accent on there around the edge there. These do not have to be elaborate. We're going to use them as a gift tag so let's see if we can't jazz this up just a little. I have these little holly pieces. Okay, let's put it on there like that. And now we just have to get our hot glue. Okay, I went ahead and attached the holly. These particular pieces, I'll show you, they came all kind of bundled together in some floral wire. So I glued each piece here while it was still attached, and I glued each pip down before I cut it off. I just cut that piece off right here with my scissors because it was just easier to do that. Now I've made a little bit of a loop with some red ribbon, and I tied a knot in it. And now we're just gonna go ahead and stick it through that pre-drilled hole. And there you have another little ornament slash gift decoration. And then I wanted to do, not all of you are going to be into the stamping thing, not all of you are going to be into the crafting thing, but maybe you want to do something a little bit homemade. You go ahead and get yourself these. You can go to the craft store, you can find these. These are little die cuts. They come in a package of several. There are a whole bunch in here. See, 20 pieces. You can use these for Christmas cards. You can use them for to and from. You can just poke a little hole in that. Now, this fits on the wood disc perfectly, but the hole is covered up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your hanger on first. I'm going to use some twine for this one. Just get it on there. If it's a little too long, you can always just re-knot it and then cut it off. Just like that. Then it's up to you. You know what? Let's take our distress marker here. This is barn door. I'm gonna use the brush tip. I am going to, just for fun, let's just color the wood disc. Okay, see, I'm not gonna waste ink on that center part because it's gonna be cut up anyway. And then if we just wanna make it really pretty, let's take some Wink of Stella, and again, this just all depends on what you have on hand. It's not, you can use regular magic markers for this. That is no lie. With my silver glittery goodness. And let's take our Santa face and our hot glue and get a bit of it on there. Plunk him down. Look how cute that is. That's super cute. And it didn't take much time. And whoever gets that on their tag, on their gift, they're gonna hang that on their tree, and every year when they take it out, they're gonna remember that you gave it to them. And then, you know what you can do too, is you can take this and you can just date it, 2018. That way they'll always know what year they received it. Let's do one more because I've been wanting to use this sticker. I got this set of stickers at Tuesday Morning, another great place to find stickers. There are a lot of options here on this particular sheet of stickers that will work very well. And these are stickers. So, okay, I think I want my background to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna take my, and this is Vintage Photo Distress ink. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it on here. That's very nice. All right, now let's put this on here. I'm just gonna lay these down because I think I'm gonna hot glue them, even though they are stickers. Definitely not necessary. These feel like they're really sticky though, so I may just stick them down. And these are little wood cuts also. They're like laser. Mm-hmm. Oh, these are super cute. Look at that. I mean, boom, that's done. You can't get, and I probably could have put the thing at the top, but it doesn't matter. It will be a little jaunty. Mm-hmm. I'm not apologizing for that. Oh, that's really, really cute. So cute. And in no time, you're just gonna have so much fun doing this. I'm gonna do one more because I really want to use this. I think it's really cute. And this will require absolutely nothing except pulling it off this sheet and sticking it down. Except we're gonna have to put a hanger on first. I'm not even gonna do anything to the wood cut because I think this is perfect.
You covered it all up anyway.
I did, but so what? Look, this just goes to show you exactly what you can do with some wood slices, a few really pretty stickers, some ink, some stamps, and some hot glue. And you don't even need all those things to do this. This is just super, super simple. Like I said, you can date the back, you can paint the front, you can do so many different things. Look, I pulled these things out of my stash, right? So many more things I can have fun with just because. I even have these little wreaths that, you know, they're like bottle brush wreaths, like mini ones. That would make a cute one too. There's so many opportunities for you to make a cute little tag. There's no excuse. If you are a crafter like I am, you know you have a stash. You know you see cute things when they're on clearance and you buy them and you stick them in your drawer or your bin or your closet or whatever, wherever you do your crafting. This is a great way to bust your stash. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope this inspires you to make some fun gift tags or gift decorations or ornaments that you can share with your friends and family this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to have a little bit of crafting fun, welcome. It's always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes, and holiday activities that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these wood slice ornament tags and gift decorations a try, and I hope that you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.